Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a step-by-step process in order to remove tarnish or the blackening which gets formed on silver articles. I have some articles with me here. It's over here. And the rings which were absolutely black, and within few minutes they changed and they became shiny and silver again. So grab your silver articles and let's do this. This is how they looked before I removed the tarnish. So you will be needing a big bowl depending on how many articles you have, and you can place a thick mat or a napkin beneath the bowl. Then you'll be needing aluminium foil. You have to use the brighter side of the aluminium foil facing upwards and cover the entire bowl with it. Then you have to use baking soda, around 4 tablespoons, or depending upon the amount of silver articles that you have, so that they are half underneath the baking soda. You can add a bit more. Then you pour boiling hot water on top. Since I've added a lot of water, I'm going to be adding 2 more teaspoons of baking soda and give it a good stir. Let this rest for around 5 to 7 minutes. Also be ready with a pair of tongs so that you'll be able to remove the articles from the boiling water. You can even stir the baking soda with a spoon so that it gets well coated on the silver articles. Let's see how it looks. There it is. Within 5 minutes, there's a complete change in how the silver article shines through. Even the rings turned out looking shinier. They were completely black. And then the bracelet, which was also completely blackened, is looking much more shinier. After you finish removing all the articles, you can keep the bowl aside. I in fact used this boiling hot water with baking soda to put in the sink of the kitchen. It really cleans it up so well. And now you can just use a humid microfiber cloth and wipe these articles so that if there's any residue of baking soda, it just goes. And there it is, looking bright and shiny. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever tried this technique, or if there's any other way that you know and you would like to share with us. There are many ways in which people clean silver at home. This method will save your time and effort and will give you the desired results immediately. I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to click that subscribe button below so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon again in the next one. Bye-bye.